Tony from the Cut Axe Joint. Today we are reviewing the Woodpecker axes from JXE JXO. I don't know what kind of brand that is, y'all. Not the greatest branding. I can tell you what, it's definitely Chinese, right? Manganese steel, 1065 spring steel, just like the other axes. Most of the axes we're gonna be throwing are gonna be that. I think it's an affordable steel that they make axe heads out of. First impressions. It's got 2 wedges in this one and 3 wedges in this one. So this person struggled in the factory. Xiao Wang. 工作一点的. Like harder, work harder, work smarter. Decent eye, like good handle fit overall, right? A little weird, again, on the guy who worked on this one, scuffing and stuff like that on the handle, but you know, you're gonna be throwing them, so they're gonna get messed up anyways. 2.5 total pounds, so a little bit heavier, on the heavier side. A lot of steel in the axe head. They sound good. Woo! So it's hardened steel.